Good day and welcome back to the Microsoft Windows Operating Systems Basics course. Today we will start a whole new set of topics called Working with Windows Settings and Control Panel. We will be looking into these topics in a number of videos, and in this particular video we will talk about Windows Settings environment and show you some settings and how to change them to the way you would like. So let's begin by first talking about what are Windows settings. So Windows settings is something that can allow you to view and make changes to your computer settings and to set those settings in a way that you can use to your own advantage. Example can be that you want to set your Microsoft or Windows account which you use for locking or unlocking your computer. Could also be that you want to do some system settings, and we will take a look at all this in this particular video. So to see where your settings are, you go to the Start button, and after clicking the Start button on the list of programs, you look for Setting. So if you go all the way to S, you should find Settings, and there it is. You can also type it in the search box if you want. If you click Settings, then you have this window pop up, and in this window you can see a number of items or things you can set. So for example, under Systems, you can change the settings of your display, something that we already did in one of our videos by changing the display settings. You can also change the settings of the sound, notifications, and power. And also you can do that to devices in your computer, phones, network internet, languages, and also we did a little bit about background and screen locking for screensaver. So in this area, this environment simply introduces you to a lot of options. So you can view them and you can also set them. By the way, one advice is don't change a setting you are not familiar with or not sure what the impact would be. So in order to show you a few things, let's look at, for example, my Windows 10 account comes with this name called Fredometer. Assuming I want to change the account name, can do that by going to Account. So if I click Account, so here I can see the same account again, and I can at this point create a Microsoft account, and let's say I want to see my info. Click my info, which is already selected, so I'm seen here as an administrator. I can also see emails and accounts that I've listed, and if not, I can add an account. So these are some of the things that you can do here. Now you can also go back, and then let's say on Systems, you can look at Display, and if you remember, under Display we showed you how to change the resolution and the brightness, and you can come to Sound, and you can also change the sound settings here apart from changing it here on the taskbar. And you can change the type of speaker you want. For example, I can choose this speaker or that one, and also if you connect the speaker to your laptop, you can also do the changes and change to the one you like. You can also test your microphone and so on and so forth. So there is the battery, which gives you information about your battery situation, and you can turn on battery saver so that automatically your computer can help you save battery energy in a situation where you're not using it. And there are so many things you can do here. So I would advise you take your time. You can look at all the settings and you can play with them and see, for example, the amount of storage you have here. So we can go back, and you can also look to time and language. You can set the time zone and the time here. We've shown that already using the time and date on the taskbar, and how you can update that automatically. So you can also change the region by selecting the country and the format you want, and many other things that you can do. So basically the idea is to show you how to get to your settings, and also to let you know that only change the things that you know how to do, or what you know the consequences of. And so this brings us to the end of this particular video, and in the next one we will continue with the other topics. Thank you.